So as we have talked about in previous videos, that it is absolutely altcoin season right now. Some altcoins have been going bonkers recently. We most of them were meme coins, as we talked about Pepe, Book of Meme, and Dog with Hat, and many more. So it is absolutely altcoin seasons, mostly meme coins, but there are some altcoins like this one that we are going to be talking about in this video that have been going crazy. Also, they are low market cap coins, so there's less competition in these coins, less volatility, but these go up like crazy. The one we are currently talking about is currently, at the time of recording this video, up 300% in just the past 24 hours. So absolutely crazy numbers that we are seeing in these coins. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen on coinmarket.com, and this is the coin we are currently talking about. It's called Vitalik Smart Gas, or VSG. I know I may be pronouncing the first one wrong. It might be Vitalik or Vitalik, whatever it may be. This is the coin. We'll just call it short for VSG. And basically its current price is at 0.001647, currently up 300% in just the past day. You can even look at the graph over here. Let's just take a look at the left panel first, its current market cap. It hasn't been verified, but let's just look at a rough overview. It is currently at $16.23 million. So this is a fairly new coin. I believe this has been only a month and a half since it was published, and it is also up like crazy in just, yeah, it was published around 9th of February, so hasn't been a lot of time since the first market listing, and this is already up like crazy. Has a $16.23 million market cap. Its current volume for today is around 268,000, which is up around almost 5,000 up from yesterday. So absolutely crazy volume. We can see that this is low volume compared to the market cap. That means this is not just a hype coin. More people have invested in this long term for when it started, and now it is starting to show its results as it starts to gain hype. So basically, let's take a look at now the daily graph for it. So we started off the day at around 0.304112, and we have been moving up throughout the whole day. As you can see, just a little volatility up and down in the green here and there, and then we saw it constantly starting to grow little by little, and then we saw another quick buy up, taking the volume from around 84,000 all the way up to 148,000. So a quick buy up right here, and then we saw another surge right here quick, and now resulting in the price to be around 300% up in just the past day. So these surges are almost more than 100% surges, so these are not small numbers. Absolutely crazy numbers. There seems to be only one exchange that this is trading on, so Uniswap V2, and it's only on a few exchanges. So once it gets listed on more exchanges like Binance or anything else, it could lead to many more surges and even higher price action in the very future. And let's look at the weekly looking similar, because we haven't seen much movement in the week. It has been pretty flat, since this is a low market cap coin. Not much talked about. 318% in the week, so was very flat throughout the week. And when we see this surge is where we see the main part of the coin surge taking place. And even in the month, looking similar, currently at around 403%. As you can see, just a little volume here and there, but now we are starting to see more and more. It has only been a month and a half, more than a month and a half since it has been listed, so this has many more months to go on, and has many more movement to see. So basically, you can see that there is bullish predictions. It says people are bullish on VSG, and there is a lot of speculations going around of what the next price target could be. But this seems to be a very nice coin. It is an Ethereum coin, as we can see in the contracts. So basically, a lot of more movement to see in this coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about Vitalik Smart Gas, or VSG. It is a small market cap coin, but absolutely seen crazy movements in just the past day, up 300% in just today. So absolutely crazy movements it is seen. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto movements, any recent price changes happening, and any updates in the overall crypto market. So I do talk about that on that live stream, so do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent crypto updates, any recent moving cryptocurrency. So do make sure to check out those videos to keep you guys updated and to stay on the latest opportunity. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.